What's going on YouTube? Jason right here. The application that I have created, iDevice ToolKit, that allows you to customize your device without being jailbroken, has received an important update. And this update you must get because it fixes the tweak injection on the application. So the application is now available here on my website, iDevice ToolKit. For those of you who are unaware, it's essentially for iOS 16.0 up to iOS 18.5, and it actually allows you to install some tweaks like these over here on iOS 18.3.2 and lower. But for 18.5, 18.4, you can use the file manager and tweak injection in IPA files. There are a lot of features available. However, unfortunately, the tweak injection in IPA files was broken because of a bug for those of you who are using eSign or Gbox or other such tools to sign the application. So this was fixed and the update is now available. It's the version 1.7.0, and this one fixes the issue, allowing you to properly tweak your IPA files. So if you take a look in here, this is the application right now. If you're running this on iOS 18.3.2 and lower, you will see something like this, and it allows you to select the tweaks that you want to enable and of course apply them. However, if you're running this on iOS 18.4 or 18.4.1, 18.5, you may see something like partial support, which says only file manager, which is this one over here, and of course the tweak injection, which is this one over here. Now the tweak injection was broken because you wouldn't be able to select any files over here. You would see this view, but you would not be able to select files. This is now fixed, and you should now be able to select both the IPA file and DYLIB tweaks. These are real jailbreak tweaks that you can select, and you will be able to combine them and create a tweaked IPA. And of course, once it's done creating the file, you should be able to save it anywhere you want. I'm going to save it in here, and that's it. So it should now be working. For those of you who are unaware, this does work on all devices, including the iPhone 16, 15, and so on iOS 18.5 and lower. What doesn't work on those devices on 18.5, 18.4, and so on are the built-in tweaks over here, which work only up to iOS 18.3.2. Anyway, get the update right away because it's an important update that fixes a major bug. Now, this issue, I would like to reiterate, is not a problem with the application itself. With the iDevice ToolKit, it's actually a problem with eSign, Gbox, and such applications for signing. The issue was caused by entitlements not being properly copied by those applications during signing. However, it's now fixed because of a workaround inside iDevice ToolKit that prevents that from happening. So this is actually great. You should be able to just go ahead and install the application right now, the version 1.7.0, and get those tweaks. Anyway, thank you for watching. That's basically it. This video was brought to you by Reboot, a software that allows you to easily fix your device if it's stuck in recovery mode, DFU mode, or in a boot loop. Definitely check the program out in the link below. A free trial is available for both Windows and Mac OS. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace.